10 English phrasal verbs with take to use in conversation. Take after. Take after. Resemble someone in appearance or behavior. Example: she really takes after her mother. Take apart. Take apart. Disassemble or dismantle something. Example: I had to take the computer apart to fix it. Take away. Take away. Remove or subtract something. Example: can you take away the extra cheese? Take back. Take back. Retract a statement or return something. Example: I take back what I said, I was wrong. Take down. Take down. Write or record information. Example: please take down the meeting minutes. Take off. Take off. To remove something, especially clothes. Example: he took off his clothes and got into the shower. Take on. Take on. Accept a challenge or responsibility. Example: she's not afraid to take on difficult tasks. Take out. Take out. To remove something from somewhere. Example: the man opened the wallet and take out money. Take over. Take over. Assume control or responsibility. Example: the new manager will take over next week. Take up. Take up. Start a new hobby, activity, or occupation. Example: I decided to take up painting.